Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today we're going to show you how to cook chicken wing with soy sauce. I'll show you all the ingredients. Let's start now. We're using 2 slices of ginger and then 2 cloves of garlic, crush them, and then 1 spring onion. Cut half for the cooking. Other half, cook it in really thin, just only for the decoration. And also we got 10 chicken wing, so make sure they're dry. Heat up a pan for 1 minute. So put a tablespoon of cooking oil. So we put the ginger, spring onion with the garlic first. Fry for a couple of seconds. So make sure all the oil is even. So now we put the chicken in. So you put one by one. Make sure all the chicken wing get the place to fry. And you need to watching the heat. I mean, if it's too hot, you can turn down a little bit. And also the ginger and spring onion with the garlic. Make sure you not burn them. We just need to get a taste out of ginger and spring onion and garlic. Now we turn the chicken around now. I mean every chicken wing. So I don't want to burn them, so I put it for the garlic and spring onion and ginger top of the chicken wing. So keep checking, you not burn the chicken until the color a bit a golden brown. So now I take the ginger, spring onion and garlic out. Add that soy sauce, a tablespoon. Now we turn them around. So make sure every chicken wing they get the dark soy sauce. I mean dark soy sauce just only for the color. And now we put a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of white wine and a pinch of pepper. So we add a teaspoon of sugar, so now we can see the color became really golden brown. So we add 100 ml of the water, or you can some stock as well. So now we put the lid on for 2 minutes. So now we turn every chicken wing around. So make sure they all get the taste and the sauce. We cover them again and give them another 2 minutes. Now you can see, open it again. So you can see now color turn them over, you can see it's really nice now. So we add a teaspoon of sesame oil. So give them a bit of, turn it over and mix. Make sure they all get the sesame oil taste as well. So look at that, beautiful done. That all ready to serve now. Put a spring onion for the decoration top of the chicken wing. And thank you for watching it. Please subscribe our channel, give us a like for the video.